When printing your document, you can save on paper by instructing Word to print multiple pages on a single sheet. In fact, you can put up to 16 pages on a single sheet of paper, as I demonstrate in this video. Word includes a nifty feature that allows you to print multiple pages on a single sheet of paper. For instance, you can take 2 pages of your document and print them on a single side of a piece of paper. To print your document in this way, just go ahead and press Ctrl P. That brings up the back office area of Word, and you can see that the print settings are shown on the screen. It's on this screen that you specify how you want your printing to occur. For my purposes today, though, I want to draw your attention to this setting right down here at the very bottom. Notice that this drop-down list currently says 1 page per sheet. This means that if you print right now, each page of your document will require 1 sheet of paper. If you click on this drop-down list, though, notice that you get multiple options of how many pages you can print on a single sheet of paper. Word allows you to print 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, or even 16 actual pages per printed sheet of paper. All you need to do is select the number that you want. Understand that when you change this setting, Word automatically makes some other changes in the print settings. Most notably, Word will automatically switch between portrait and landscape mode for your printout in order to make the best use of the printed page. For instance, if I was to select 2 pages per sheet right here, notice that it shows that the page is in landscape mode so that those 2 pages from the document can be printed side by side on that single sheet. If I go back to 4 pages per sheet, then the paper is in portrait orientation to get those 4 pages on a single sheet of paper. Once I'm done selecting the number of pages per sheet and making any other setting changes, I can then go ahead and click on the print button and my printout will be done. When you print multiple pages of your document on single sheets, realize that Word shrinks each page so that the desired number of pages will fit on a single sheet. This means that the more pages you print per sheet, the harder it can be to read individual pages on that printout. Now, there's one other important thing to keep in mind here. The print setting that we've been working with here controls how many pages of the current document will print on a single sheet. So let's say that you have a 6-page document and you print 4 pages per sheet. That means that pages 1 through 4 of your document will print on the first sheet of paper, and pages 5 and 6 will print on the second sheet of paper. If you have a 1-page document and you choose to print 4 pages per sheet, then only that 1 page will print and it will take a quarter of the sheet. This setting is not for multiple copies of the same page. In other words, for your 1-page document, choosing 4 pages per sheet will not result in printing 4 copies of page 1 on a single sheet. If you want to do that, then there is one thing that you can try. You go ahead and you select 4 pages per sheet like we have down here at the very bottom. But then what you do is up here in the pages area, I'm going to go ahead and type 1, comma, 1, comma, 1, comma, 1. What this means is that Word is going to print page 1 4 times. And since we have 4 pages per sheet selected, then it should print 4 copies of page 1 on a single sheet of paper. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the subscribe button and then click the bell icon. That way you'll be informed whenever I add a new video to the Word Tips channel. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.